Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Chris Pastry and Vlog. Today we'll be doing some brown stew chicken. And here's the chicken cut up on a drumstick, cut up and seasoned up. And this is the pot we're gonna cook it in. This is the oil that we're gonna use and fry it. So stay tuned guys while I take you along. Top.
So guys, welcome back to Chris Pastry and Vlog. Happy Sunday. So today Christopher is making brown stew chicken. So he's now adding in the chicken in the pot. As you can see. Yes. So he's gonna allow the chicken to and catch the color, and then we will apply the rest of the seasoning in a little while.
Yes guys, see, chicken is getting there. Don't reach the color, but it's getting there guys. Look at it. Nice. Nice cooking chicken. Alright guys, see the color is coming. Now guys, we're gonna cut up, we're gonna prep the sweet pepper, the bell pepper and the onion, and we're also gonna put some thyme in it guys. So
Stay tuned as we continue the video.
yes guys. So guys, we're adding in our pepper now. Red and yellow pepper and onion. So stay tuned guys while we steam down the onion and the pepper. Yes guys, chicken almost cooked. So we're gonna eat this with some rice and peas, some warm up rice and peas. Look at it guys, looking lovely, great. I love it. And this is my rice guys, bun rice. See it, ready. Here's the rice guys. Steam coming out of it, ready. And chicken also ready too. Yes guys, share no time now. Don't know. Drumstick chopping too. Making it in a brown stew. And we love that the truth. So yes guys, this is mine. Does it look nice? No vegetable on top, just this. Just a normal casual food.